Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter circle. Today we will learn inscribe angle, intercepted arc and inscribe angle theorem. Inscribe angle. The angle is called inscribe angle in an arc of a circle if its vertex lies on the circle. In this figure, vertex of angle B lies on a circle and arm intersect the circle in two distinct points. Arm AB intersect the circle at point A and arm BC intersect the circle at point C. Therefore, in this figure we say that angle ABC is an inscribed angle in an arc ABC. If the vertex of angle lies on the circle, then we say that this angle is an inscribed angle. Intercepted arc. Given an arc of circle and an angle. Here given an angle and arc of circle. If each arm of an angle contain an endpoints of the arc. Each arm of an angle contain an endpoints of arc. Here A and C are the endpoints of arc which lies on the arm of angle. And all points except endpoints of the arc are in the interior of the angle. Here the points of arc AC which lies in the interior of the angle except the endpoints arc is said to be intercepted by the angle. Therefore in this figure arc APC intercepted by angle ABC. If vertex of the angle lies in the exterior of the circle, then angle ABC intercept the two arc. The first arc is APC and second arc is DE. These two arcs are intercepted by the angle ABC. If angle ABC, the arc APC intercept by angle ABC. Here vertex of angle ABC lies in the interior of circle and its intercept arc APC. Inscribe angle theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of measure of the arc intercepted by it. In a circle with center O, angle ABC is an inscribed angle which intercept the arc APC. Then by inscribed angle theorem, measure of angle ABC is equal to 1/2 into angle ABC is an inscribed angle which intercept the arc APC. Therefore, measure of angle ABC is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc APC. Corollaries of inscribed angle theorem. The first, angle inscribed in a same arc are congruent. Here in this figure, angle ABC, angle ADC, which are inscribed in a same arc ABC. Then measure of angle ABC is congruent to angle ADC because these two angles inscribed in same arc or the vertex of both angle lies on the same arc, then these two angles are congruent to each other. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. In the figure, circle with the center O and angle ABC and inscribe angle in a semicircular arc ABC. Here O is the center of circle. Angle ABC is an inscribed angle. Here AC is the diameter of circle. Therefore, arc ABC is an semicircular arc and angle ABC is an inscribed angle in a semicircular arc ABC. Therefore, and which intercept the arc APC. Therefore, measure of angle ABC is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc APC because inscribed angle theorem. But AC is the diameter, therefore arc APC is a semicircular arc. We know that the measure of semicircular arc is equal to how much? 180 degree. because measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. Divide 180 by 2, we will get angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, inscribe angle in a semicircular arc is a right angle. Cyclic quadrilateral. If all the vertices of quadrilateral lies on the same circle, then it is called cyclic quadrilateral. In this figure, quadrilateral ABCD has its all vertices lies on the same circle. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Here, tell me which is the pair of opposite angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Tell me which is the opposite angle of angle ABC. Angle ADC is opposite angles of angle ABC. Therefore, by the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, sum of measures of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Therefore, measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle ADC is equal to how much? 180 degree. Supplementary means sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Then we use proof of this theorem in the next video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video. Thank you.